Good morning, everybody. Here to dye up some pillowcases for you. They've been soaking in our soda ash, our sodium carbonate, for the last 30 minutes or so. We're gonna twist them up and throw some color on them. Come along for the ride. So we got a whole sheet set. This is a test set. It's gonna go on our bed. So we got a pillowcase for each of us. One for her, one for me. A flat and a fitted. I think we're gonna split these up into separate videos because it's gonna be a whole lot of stuff to dye. And we're gonna dye everything in a different color scape too, so they will all be different. But all spirals for now. We're trying to keep it simple. Keep it simple, stupid. But I'm sure they will be beautiful. We've been sitting on this sheet set for a hot minute, and we've just been putting this off. It's just so much work to dye a sheet set. We've done them before, like crib sheets and stuff, and smaller sheet sets, but we've never dyed a queen before, and we just knew it's so much real estate.
So this one's gonna be mine.
To the dyeing rack.
To the dyeing rack.
See, we have our expanded rack set up for, you know, when we get ready to dye the fitted and flats. Is that hot pink?
This is.
There's some hot pink.
And I wanted to do golden yellow.
Golden yellow. Different yellow offering from the usual this time. Been doing a lot of citrus. Bubblegum. Okay, we're back. Had to clip a tip. And to clip a tip. Next.
Citrus.
Citrus yellow. Cool, cool.
Hit that bubble gum one more time real quick.
One more bubble gum.
Finish off that first corner with a hot pink.
So, all told on this one, it would appear that we're gonna have hot pink, golden yellow, citrus yellow, and bubblegum. What a nice collage of colors. One of her favorites, actually.
Yeah,
A variation of, at least.
now we will.
Be flop.
Do the hot pink.
Hot pink. drying rack.
Wait, hold on, let me hit this.
Hit it one more time. Little extra bubble for expense.
There we go.
Now to the drying rack. Bottom shelf? Bottom shelf, where it will sit until we're ready to rinse it out. Alrighty folks, y'all have a wonderful day. We'll see y'all tomorrow.